Hello, it's another fun time with Debbie. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about sound. There's a particular sound of interest. Are you ready? All right, let's get into it. Oh, that's it. So today we're talking about a sound that comes from the letters C and H. Which of the sounds do you know? I bet you know it sounds ch. But let's learn some other sounds that letters C and H make. It makes the sound and sh and sh. Now let's check words where these sounds are made, starting with sh. Machine. Can I hear you? Awesome. Machine. Chef. Good job. Now for the sound k, we have school, stomach, Christmas, monarch. Awesome. Now let's consider where it sounds ch. We have cherry, church, cheese, child, cheek, chicken. Wow, good job today. I hope you enjoyed today's sound segment. Good job. All right, I hope to bring you more. So, to get more, make sure you are subscribed. You've clicked the like button and the notification bell. Stay tuned.